Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss the biosensor, and biosensor are basically the sensitive biological elements which can be used as a tissue, as a microorganisms or the organelles or the cell receptors or enzymes or antibodies or nucleic acids or any biologically derived material which is the part of a biological living system. So biosensor means to sense the biological system, and it is one of the sensitive element which is created by the biological engineering. So we can say that a biosensor is an analytical device which convert the biological signals into a measurable electrical signals. यानी we can say कि ये एक एनालिटिकल डिवाइस है जो कि बायोलॉजिकल सिग्नल्स को कन्वर्ट करती है इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल्स में, और इसमें हमारे पास बेसिकली बायोलॉजिकल इंजीनियरिंग इन्वॉल्व है. This device is basically comprised of the sensitive biological elements and the transducer and certain electrochemical processes or electrochemical illuminants which basically used to quantify the biological elements. So, the sensitive biological elements are the microorganisms or the organelles or the receptors or antibodies or their blood products or blood chemicals, etc. etc. While transducer and any detector element is basically used for the transformation of one signal into the another by means of physicochemical ways, and it produces certain types of currents which resulting from the interaction of the analyte with the biological elements, which helpful for the measurement and the quantification of the sensitive biological elements. What are the characteristic of the good biosensor? So it should be accurate, it should be precise, it can give the reproducible results, and it should be cheap, portable, can be used by a semi-skilled person, and free from the errors which may be due to change in pH, change in temperature, etc. So a biosensor is typically consists of a bioreceptor and a transducer and a signal processor. Transducer is basically combined with a microprocessor system which basically recognize the change in the analyte concentration. So this is the simple scheme in which there is binding of an antigen to antibodies and by the bioreceptors, and this bioreceptors binding will trigger a change in the sensor element which transduces the signaling process, and then this signaling process is displayed. Based on the types of transducer, we can classify the biosensor as a calorimetric or optical biosensor or amperometric biosensor or piezoelectric biosensor and the potentiometric depending upon the type of way using to determine the process. जो भी हम process कर रहे हैं उसका chemical way क्या है उसके हिसाब से biosensor class. Calorimetric biosensor will use the heat of the reaction. चेंज जो भी होगा हीट ऑफ रिएक्शन में वो मेजर करेगा. पोटेंशियोमेट्रिक बायोसेंसर बेसिकली मेजर करेगा चेंज इन द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द चार्जेस ड्यू टू द चेंज इन द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. Amperometric biosensor will determine the movement of the electrons produced in a redox reaction, while optical biosensor measures the light output during the reaction, while piezoelectro biosensors use the mass of the reactants or the product. Very simple biosensor is the signal processor that the data obtained from the transducer and display the result in the user-friendly way. For example, a pregnancy test kit contains the XTG protein and detects the human chorionic gonadotropin hormone in the or protein in the urine. Another example is the glucose monitoring device for the diabetes patient, and it monitors the glucose level in the blood. The enzyme which is responsible is the glucose oxidase, which is used by a blood glucose as a biosensor. It breaks down the blood glucose. First, it oxidizes the glucose and it uses 2 electrons to reduce the FAD. And FAD is converted into the FADH2, which in turn oxidize to the electrode in a number of steps. Steps हमने यहाँ नहीं describe किए हैं, but the main principle is that the resulting current is measure the concentration of glucose. जितना ज़्यादा glucose होगा उतना ज़्यादा current जो है वो generate होगा, and this change in electrode in transducer and the enzyme, यानी इसमें हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रोड जो है वो ट्रांसड्यूसर है एंड द एंजाइम इज द बायोरिसेप्टर. Mainly the application of the biosensors is for the determination of the drug discovery process and the protein engineering, and there are several applications like monitoring of the blood glucose, determination of the environmental toxins or contaminants, epidemic outbreaks, several airborne pathogens की determination भी कर सकते हैं, determination of toxic substances, and routine analysis of the folic acid, biotin, vitamin B12, etc., etc. This is all about the biosensors.